Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Linear Finance. Linear Finance has recently broken down the support of this up channel, and the technical target for this breakdown was, by the way, here at the bottom of the channel. That was approximately at $0.0033. And by the way, from $0.0033 to $0.003, we had a very strong and long-term support zone. You can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was working as support. But now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. We got rejection here and rejection here. And now we have also found another down trend line resistance as well. And you can see that for the past several weeks, the price is getting rejected by this resistance as well. And now if we switch to the weekly time frame chart, and here you can see that linear finance is moving inside a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And this is a very long-term resistance that the price had never broke out since we have found this resistance in the month of March 2021. We got rejection here. And after the breakout from this wedge, we had a very powerful pump out of it. You see that we formed this smaller falling wedge pattern inside this bigger falling wedge pattern. And this was almost a more than 504% pump. But the price line could not break out this downtrend and resistance got rejected. Then we got a few more rejections here. And recently, the price line is once again rejected and dropped down at the support and bounce from the support of the wedge. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Sleepless AI, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this trade setup, like this trade setup I shared on 4th of January 2025 with my members. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of linear finance. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance. Before that, we also broke down this up channel as well. Technical target was here at the bottom of the channel where we had this very long-term support zone as well. That was starting from $0.0033 and goes to $0.003. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for several weeks a month, it has been breaking as a very strong support zone. And now, after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance, and we got rejection here and here. And recently the price line is also bounced from the support of a bigger falling wedge pattern as well. But we need to break out this downtrend and resistance in order to start a reversal move from here. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance of this wedge will this time be here. For example, if the price and moves up from here after breaking out this downtrend and resistance, and by the way, even after the breakout from this downtrend and resistance, we will still need to break out this key resistance from 33 to 30.003. And then we may see that the price and may hit this resistance of the wedge very soon. And this time it can hit the resistance of this falling wedge pattern here. And over there we will have a crisscross of two very long-term resistance levels. One will be the downtrend and resistance of this wedge. Another one will be very long-term resistance of $0.0065 as well. That was previously working as a very strong support here and resistance here. And here it was working as support and here as a support as well. And in case of breaking out this falling wedge pattern, we can expect a very massive rally. First, we will need to break out this resistance zone. That is another very long-term resistance zone from 1.65 cents to 2 cents that had been previously working as a resistance here, resistance here, and support here as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 17 cents to 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.